Hello, aloha, it's Shani from Seascape Getaways coming to you live from my pool deck. Today I wanted to talk about the 5 Southern Caribbean islands that you don't hear enough about. So, everyone talks about the ABC Islands, Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao, but I'm going to share 5 other Southern Caribbean islands that deserve a spot on your bucket list. So, let's get into it. Let's start our tour in Grenada, Spice Island vibes. Grenada is known as Spice Island, where you can find spice markets and take a chocolate tour. It's also full of lush rainforests, waterfalls, and some of the most beautiful beaches in the region. Next up, St. Lucia, the Piton Paradise, one of my favorites. Here you can experience Piton boat tours, experience the relaxing benefits of Sulphur Springs. Imagine snorkeling in this beautiful location. Or zipline through the rainforest. Either way, the iconic pitons, volcanic beaches, and dramatic scenery make St. Lucia feel like a movie set. Are we ready for Barbados, where we can experience beaches and culture? Here you can snorkel Carlisle Bay Shipwreck. What do you think about that? How about a beautiful catamaran sail? Look at this water. How about checking out the Animal Flower Cave? Look at this. Beautiful. Perhaps you'd like to sample some free rum at the distillery. Either way, Barbados has a mix of calm beaches, rugged coastlines, and some of the best snorkeling in the Caribbean. It's time to check out St. Kitts. Adventure and views. Here you can visit the Brimstone Hill Fortress. How about some history? Maybe you prefer a scenic railway tour. Always a fun way to see an island. Don't forget to check out the beautiful Cockleshell Beach. Look at that water. Don't be surprised if you run into a monkey or two. This island is a perfect blend of history, beaches, and wildlife, plus that famous scenic railway. Last on our list, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. They're underrated and unforgettable. Here you can see the beautiful Darkview Falls. Iconic. How about snorkeling in the Grenadines? Looks beautiful. How about we check out the black sand beaches? So stunning. Perhaps you'd like to check out the volcanic site. Looks beautiful. I would love this. But either way, it is a gem. There's fewer crowds, the beaches are stunning, and some of the clearest water in the region. So, thanks for checking out these 5 beautiful Southern Caribbean islands with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. And if you're planning a cruise down south, definitely keep these islands on your mind because they're gorgeous, unique, and they're full of amazing things to do. And if you want to experience the Southern Caribbean with a fun group, we're sailing in May 2027 to Aruba, Bonaire, Curacao, and Cabo Roja, Dominican Republic. So it's just a $50 deposit to hold your room. It's due by June 27th, and I'd love to see you there. Thank you for joining us, and see you next time on Seascape Getaways.